Hello, Dr. Huffman from Florida Injury Centers. I'm pleased to announce my association with Dr. Perez from Restore Injury Health Center in Orange City. Dr. Perez is a chiropractic physician with years of experience in treating auto injury patients, those who are suffering from whiplash, back injuries, and other injuries associated with car accidents. She's asked me to join as a medical physician so her patients now have access to both chiropractic and medical under one roof. In addition to our traditional medical services, we're offering telemedicine services. So you have access to me 24/7 by calling my cell phone at 866-402-4250. When you call that number, I'll send you a link to your phone on the text link. We'll discuss the nature of the collision, the details of your injuries. I'll report those injuries to the responsible insurer, to your attorney, and have you come in and see Dr. Perez and her team of healthcare providers to begin the rehab process. We can even call in medications from the comfort and privacy of your own home by calling 866-402-4250. No longer do you need to spend hours in an ER to get access to medications or report your injuries. Remember, you only have 14 days to report your injuries in the state of Florida. You can do that in 14 minutes now with this telemedicine portal. So give us a call if you've been injured in an auto accident in Orange City, Florida, and see how chiropractic and medical services together can help you recover quicker. We can be reached at 866-402-4250 24/7. Thank you.